Mix tomato with this oil I'm going to introduce soon and transform your skin overnight. This is highly effective, purely natural. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on this channel I share skincare treatments using natural method, like using natural way to take care of the skin, to make your skin to glow, to make your skin to look younger and vibrant. Also I share health tips. So if you love it, go on and subscribe, turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos you get notified and come and watch. So I'm going to show you how I made this remedy using some natural treatment you can find at home, purely natural. So the ingredients are safe for all skin types and complexion. Do not worry if you have sensitive skin, perfectly for everyone. So the ingredients are things you can find right in the kitchen. Like here we have oat powder. When it comes to getting a clearer skin, when it comes to firming the skin, think of oat powder. But if you don't have oat powder, you can make use of rice powder. So I'm using oat powder because I just love the firming ability. I prefer it when it comes to firming the skin, when it comes to, hydrating the skin, when it comes to keeping your skin supple. So, but like I said, rice powder is also a good choice if you don't have. Oat powder will not only firm your skin, it will as well help to exfoliate the skin, to get rid of dead skin cells. Your skin will get clearer, your skin will get uniform. Like when it gets rid of dead skin cells, the results will be a clearer, beautiful skin, a smooth, soft skin that you will love. So the next ingredient I made use of is tomato. So get tomato of any size, fresh one please. Tomato contains lycopene, a powerful compound that helps greatly to brighten the skin. It supports hydration of the skin if you have dry, flaky skin. Also, it gets rid of sunburn, mild sunburn. Another thing I love about tomato, it helps to get rid of dark spots. Continuous use, you will see those dark spots fading away gradually. You can see I have some few dark spots, but it will not stop my face from glowing. When you make use of these natural treatments, you notice a perfect glowing of your skin, natural glow. With no makeup, your skin will be glowing beautifully. So I want to try it once again to fade away those dark spots finally. I have them, but they are little, so I don't like keeping all this on my skin. Tomato will not only get rid of dark spots, it will also help to fight acne, to get rid of acne from your face. So the next ingredient is sugar. Yes, sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, they are very good for the skin. Like it helps to exfoliate the skin, to get rid of dead skin cells, just like oat powder, rice powder, but it helps to hydrate the skin. If you have dry, flaky skin, think of sugar. Sugar glows the skin. After applying it, you rinse it out, you will notice that your skin will glow. Another thing about sugar is that it gets rid of dark spots. It also helps greatly to brighten the skin, because after exfoliating the skin, you see your skin getting brighter. Skin will get clearer and beautiful. If you have sensitive skin, get brown sugar. If you have other skin type like oily skin and the rest, get any type of sugar. Alright, so this magic oil is something that you will love greatly. It helps to get rid of dry, flaky skin. It helps greatly to get rid of dark spots. It fades away dark spots gradually. And when it comes to getting rid of those wrinkles, it helps to moisturize, firm the skin, makes your skin glow. When your skin is glowing, when there is no dry skin, when there is no dull skin, you see that you look younger, of course. So these 4 ingredients are very perfect, like very perfect. You have to get them. If you don't have oat powder, like I said, get rice powder. If you don't have rice powder, get baking flour. Not baking powder, please. Baking flour for baking pancake, bread, that kind of flour. It's time to tell you the measurements. For this little quantity here, it's supposed to be for only face. Okay? So if you want to apply all over your body, take note, you have to double all the ingredients so that the quantity will be more. What I did, I squeezed in or blended one of tomato. Look at the size. If you have the bigger one, you can make use of it. Just get out the juice, the paste, transfer it in here. Look at it. So nice. So I added 1 tablespoon of sugar, then half tablespoon of oat powder or rice powder, remember. Then for the oil, you don't really need to pack so much oil. Here is rosehip oil. I forgot to mention it. This is rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is so nourishing for the skin. Like, it's very lightweight. It penetrates into the skin without clogging your pores, without giving you acne, giving you a greasy look. No, rosehip oil is very feminine. So get rosehip oil and add few drops. Just about 3 to 4 drops of it is enough. But if you have severe dry skin, like serious dry flaky skin, increase the quantity of the oil about half tablespoon, and you're all good. So mix this together until it forms a thick paste. If your treatment is thick, add rose water a little to make it in a smooth paste. If your treatment is watery, please go on and increase the quantity of either oat powder or rice powder. So mix this and mix. Then it's time to show you how to apply it for best results. Like I said earlier, the purpose of applying this treatment and also showing you is because I want to treat some few dark spots on my skin. Like, sometimes it comes out like that, and I just prefer natural way. Okay, so I'll remove all makeups. There's no makeup on my skin. Try to wash off all makeup. Use a gentle cleanser or use warm water and face wash or a gentle soap to remove all makeups. So I don't have makeup on my face. So with the help of a brush or your hand, so just apply it all over your face. You don't really need too much. Little goes a long way, okay? Alright, so for those that have not purchased my products, I have skincare line. I have skincare products very perfect for all skin types. So just contact through that WhatsApp. Tell me how your skin is. Please be sincere, please. If you have any skin problem, please share it with me on WhatsApp. I'll give you one that will be suitable for your skin type and complexion, so that when you go out there, you look so beautiful. The products are very safe, no chemicals, no side effects, purely natural. You will love it. Just be sincere and I'll give you the best. So apply it both under your eye like this. Apply on your neck. Go on and apply on the rest of the body and leave it on for 15-20 minutes. If you leave it on, you will notice that your skin will get firmer. Okay, so my treatment is a little watery. If you want it thicker, just increase the quantity of rice powder, oat powder, like I said. You see it looking so smooth and thick. So apply anywhere you want to treat, and you will love the result. So if you have dark spots or dark patches on your knees, on your feet, dark knuckles, dark armpits, dark inner thighs, this remedy is not for it. This remedy is for few dark spots, a gentle, that is not so much. Like, you know, all these dark nails, dark elbows, they are very stubborn to get rid of. Check my channel if you want a strong treatment that will get rid of them. Also, I have a very good product for dark spots. Dark area cream is very nice for it. Okay, so we are talking about how to look younger. This treatment will firm your skin. As you leave it to dry, you will notice that your skin will be getting firmer. Like, it will feel tighter. When it gets dry, wash it out. So I'm going to leave it on for some time. Wash it out. I'll be right back. So after rinsing it out, you notice that your skin will get clearer. With consistency, you get perfect result. Like, your skin will be looking younger and younger. This is just a basic, like the foundation. Using it to treat your skin before applying skincare products. This will also enable skincare products to penetrate well and work better. Like I said earlier, if you want to make use of this as a scrub, increase the quantity of the powdered ingredients, rice powder or oat powder. In that way, it's going to get thicker than this, stronger, so that when you exfoliate, you'll be feeling it, like you'll be feeling the particles of the scrub. And that is how it works. If you have acne, do not scrub your skin. So tomato and all those ingredients will surprise you. They will make your skin to glow, get rid of dark spots, but not so fast. Gradually, you see those dark spots fading away. For getting your skin younger, with consistency, you get perfect results. So go on and apply this treatment 3 times weekly or twice weekly. You can also do it every day if you have the chance. Perfect to apply it overnight. Just apply it, rinse it out, and go to bed. But after rinsing it out, you have to apply a light moisturizer to lock in moisture so that your skin will not feel so dry or look so dry. Whenever you make use of a scrub or a facial mask, make sure you apply a light moisturizer. It can be your face cream. Please, natural face cream. Do not apply a bleach product on your face after this, because it's just going to go back to square one, making your skin to get worse. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Also share this video to everyone. I will see you in my next video.